Yes. Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. Yes. And today I'm going to explain this chapter, Algebraic Expressions, where I will discuss these topics, factors, coefficients, and constant term. And we will also see the like and unlike terms of the algebraic expressions. So now let's start, students. Here first we have to understand factors, then coefficients, constant terms, and next like and unlike terms. Afterwards we will see that additions of monomials also. So first you see that factors. So we can define this as like this: each term of an algebraic expression consists of a product of constants and variables. That means in each term constants and variables are multiplied. Maybe there is only constant or only variable. Okay, understanding? So each term of the algebraic expression consists of a product or of constants and variable, and such terms are only formed by these factors only, such as constant, such as in this example you can see it is 7x plus 9y plus 8. So each these the constants and variables are forming the factors only here. Here you can say that 7, 9 and 8 are the numerical factors. That means all the constants are the numerical factors. Okay, and the each term of the expressions consist of the product of constant and variables. And here the constants are called the numerical factors and the variables are called the literal factors. Variables are called the literal factors or variable factors. Okay, so here x and y are the variable factors and the 7, 9, 8 are the numerical factors. Okay, now you see coefficient. Coefficient means in a term of algebraic expression, any of the factors with the sign of the term, that means the sign of the term is included here, with the sign of the term is called the coefficient of the product of other factors. Try to understand. Coefficient of the product of remaining factors, that whatever it is remaining factors, because one factor you have taken for finding the coefficient of that term, that factor. So coefficient of the product of other factors in that term. So we can say that in algebraic expression, any of the factors with the sign, any factor you select from there with the sign of the term, whole term sign, some sign is there with the sign of the term, is called the coefficient of the remaining, is called the coefficient of the product of remaining factors. That is only called here other factors. That is called coefficient. For example, that we can see here in 9xy, and 9xy is a monomial algebraic expression consisting of one term. Coefficient of x is 9y. Coefficient of x is the product of remaining factors 9 and y, and the coefficient of y is product of other factors 9x. So coefficient of y is 9x and coefficient of x is 9y. Okay. Now in second, here minus 5ab, the expression is minus 5ab. So in minus 5ab the coefficient of a is minus 5b and the coefficient of b is product of other factors, that is minus 5a. Okay, coefficient of a is the product of other factors except a, so minus 5 and b, minus 5b, and coefficient of b is product of other factors except b, that is minus 5a. Okay, so this is called the coefficient. This way we can find. Now constant term. Okay, what are constant terms? Where the variables are not associated there, where variables are not present, literals are not present, that term you can say called the constant term. That term is known as the constant term. So a term of an algebraic expression having no literal factor, means there is no variable factor, that is called the constant term. Okay, such as in an algebraic expression x square plus 4x plus 7. This is an algebraic expression of three terms. First is x square, then 4x term, second is 4x term, and the third term is 7. So in this you can see 7 is the term where the variables are not present. In first term also variable x is there, second term 4x, also here also variable x, but in the last term 7, here no variable or no literal is there, no literal factor is there. So this term 7 is called the constant term. Okay, this is constant. Now in the algebraic expression y square plus 3x minus 9, here minus 9 is the constant term, because you will write that y square plus 3x plus minus 9. So this minus 9 is inside the bracket, you will put there. So this minus 9 is the constant term. Minus is included in the term only. Okay, so this way we can say minus 9 is the constant term. Now try to understand the like terms and unlike terms. So first, like terms of the algebraic expression can be defined as, in algebraic expressions, the terms having the same literal factors, not only the same literal factors, with their power, with their exponent. Here literal factors means their exponents should be also same. So in an algebraic expressions, the term having the same literal factors are called the like terms. So very clearly I have said here that literal factors, same literal factors means the literal factors with their exponents, they should be same. Then only you will say that they are forming the like terms. So otherwise they are called the unlike terms. So we can define this. In an algebraic expressions, the terms having same literal factors are called like terms, otherwise they are called the unlike terms, such as 4xy, 9xy and 12xy. They all have the same literal factors x and y multiplied with each other, xy, xy, and that's why they are called the like terms. And these are unlike terms, such as 4x, 3y and 7a. Here the literal factors, that means the variable factors x, y and a are different. These all terms are monomials of one term only, algebraic expression of one term. They are 4x, 3y and 7a. But there is the point that we have to see there, that they have different variables, x, y and a. So they all have different variables, different literal factors. So you will say they are unlike terms. Okay, now we know that the like terms you can add easily. Unlike terms you are not adding. If it is given 4x plus 3y, so that will be written as 4x plus 3y only. Okay, you cannot combine that term and you cannot make it one term. Okay, but the like terms you can add that. For example, this expression you see 7x plus 3xy plus 2x plus 5xy. So add these expressions, add these terms. So what you will do, you will add that 7x and 2x, because they are the like terms. They have the literal factors same, that is x, and 3xy and 5xy. So first you add that 7x plus 2x is 9x. You will write that because they have same literal factors. So direct you can add 7x plus 2x is 9x. Now next like terms are 3xy and 5xy, because they have the same variables xy and xy. They have the same literal factors xy and xy. So 3xy plus 5xy, you will write that 8xy. Okay, so the term, their sum is a binomial, 9xy plus 8xy. Their sum is a binomial 9x plus 8xy. 9x plus 8xy. Now next you add this 7x square plus 9y plus 3x square plus 5y. So here these are the like terms, 7x square and 3x square. They have the same literal factors, x square and x square. So 7x square plus 3x square is 10x square first you will say, and then you will add this 9y and 5y also. So 9y plus 5y is forming, their sum is 14y. They are also the like terms, 9y and 4y, because their literal factors are same. So 9y plus 5y, it is 14y. Okay, so the sum will be 10x square plus 14y, and it is the binomial. So understood all. Now you can solve the questions of additions of algebraic expressions, mainly of monomials, from the exercise, and learn all the points explained here. And do watch this video nicely for understanding all the things. Thank you all of you.